Hello everyone, this is Abdul Subramanian. I'm a graduate student by the major of cybersecurity, uh, and this is my last semester. As my last semester, I'm doing a graduation project for the phishing, uh, and so when we um, when we are talking about phishing, um, uh, there are a lot of phishers, and they use different mechanisms. They use um, different techniques. And their main target is to steal personal data, and they use different mechanisms to steal personal data, or like company's data, whatever. They will try to um, steal data, not try. They will do it. So today I will try to discuss about this phishing, how it happens, how we can prevent it, and what are the procedures to prevent these phishers. And when I'm gonna try to say something about these phishers. These phishers, they use uh, it, to send us like email and spam message and text message and pop-ups. So if for example, if the customers or the employer or the company or whatever, like maybe they are a student or they are or working for some companies, that is governmental and private companies, and those people try to uh, access this or try to click this, uh, whether it is uh, from email or from text message or from pop-ups. If somebody or try to click this link, the fisher can get it, their data simply. So we have to uh, take care about that. And if as we click the link, they have the opportunity to access our data. So we have to uh, be aware about these features, and how can we protect our data from those features. So, and the other thing is there are different keywords for the phishing. So, yeah, and their target, their techniques, and their phishing attacks. We will see one by one those. And so when we see the phishing attacks, they will use like email, as I mentioned before. They will use like to send uh, just through emails. They will send their um, attacking link through email and through spam text, pop-ups. Pop-up gonna happen like when we play games, when we um, also in different enterprises, and also in uh, like kind of text, like for example, I love you, something like that. So if somebody it is not aware of that, and if try to click that link, the just fisher can get the personal data, and they can access all things, then we will be get trouble. So that's why we have to know, we have to be aware about those features, when we are working on for something else. So the other thing is just a big time into opening an email. So we have to take care about this and inserting message, text message, or like that. So um, the other thing is procedures. Procedures, this there are different procedures that the fisher are using to um, tag our data or to take our data like for their purpose. As once as they steal it is not good for the employer as well as for anyone. Maybe they are student or they are working for some companies or they are they have some uh, personal privacies. Then the fisher can try to collect their data and steal their data. So we have to prevent this kind of problems so entirely. So when we see the procedures for the website, um, maybe we are using like uh, Microsoft Edge, like so where we are using this Microsoft Edge, we should have to um, see the icon. So if we go to the help and feedback, repair and save type, and if we follow the instruction on the website that displays to the repair the website, if we are using this and if we are putting those uh, in this one, this is helps us to block those feature. So if we are using, if we are following these procedures, um, we will be safe. And other thing is Internet Explorer. While we are using this one, also the same thing, we have to follow this same procedures. We have to put um, and save website, then we have to follow the instruction. And the other thing is repairing spam, um, sorry, reporting spam using mails. And we have to report this kind of spams for who is responsible for this and who will be safe. And the other thing is you shouldn't have to click any links receiving text message. So we have to take care about that. If we are clicking any links that we get from those fishers, uh, we will be get trouble. They can access it, our data simply as we click the um, links. So we should have to take care about that too. And the other thing is, I'm gonna say something about the comparison that from to um, get or to make a um, safe environment for our workers or for our drivers, we should have to use this anti-phishing report protections like anti-spam software to protect our devices. Uh, and the other thing is anti-malware. Also, the same thing, it prevents other types of threats. So, if we have those kinds of softwares on our laptops or our computers or whatever we are using, maybe it's um, a kind of iPhone or whatever, maybe it is kind of phone, something like that. So if we have such kind of applications in our device, the fisher couldn't uh, attack us or couldn't steal our data easily. So we'll be safe. And the other thing is like anti-spam software, anti-malware is programmed by software researchers for even the satellite malware. So also if you have anti-spam software, we will be safe. So we have to follow these all as strategies to be um, safe from these issues. Thank you for your time. Thank you.